Hi, this is Harrison with ID Support. Today I'm giving an overview of a network design for a warehouse. This design was done by ID Support for a client moving into a new warehouse that needed a new network installed essentially from the ground up. So as you can see, we have listed the wireless access points that were installed in the warehouse, and this isn't just limited to networking. This plan also details the access control which was installed in the warehouse, as well as all the cabling. And here we have another map which shows the alarm system that was installed in the same warehouse. So ID Support can be a resource to not only install any network equipment that's needed, but to do the design in the event that the client doesn't have internal IT to do so. Thank you very much.